Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting problem in Windows 10 or 11. But before watching this video tutorial, please subscribe on Videos YouTube channel. So let's start our video tutorial. You can easily solve Bluetooth not connecting in Windows 10 or 11 problem if you follow the steps shown in this video tutorial. Let's move on to laptop screen to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting issue in Windows 10 or 11 step by step. Step 1. Turn on the Bluetooth device. You should make sure that the Bluetooth device is turned on. Right-click on Windows logo at the left bottom. Now click Settings. Now click Devices. For Windows 11, click Bluetooth and Devices. Under Bluetooth, toggle to switch on if it was previously turned off. Step 2. Run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. From Settings, click Update and Security. Now click Troubleshoot on the left side. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Bluetooth and then click Run the Troubleshooter in Windows 10. For Windows 11, go to Settings. Then System. Now click Troubleshoot and then Other Troubleshooters. Click Bluetooth and click Run the Troubleshooter. You can also run Bluetooth Troubleshooter by typing Troubleshooting in search box on taskbar. Then run Troubleshoot Settings. Now click Additional Troubleshooters or Other Troubleshooters for Windows 11. Now under Bluetooth, run the troubleshooter. Step 3. Remove and add again Bluetooth device. From Settings, remove and re-add Bluetooth device again to see whether it fixes the problem or not. Step 4. Uninstall Bluetooth device. Type Device Manager in search box and run the Device Manager. Under Bluetooth, uninstall the device by right-click on it. After that, right-click and click Scan for hardware changes. Step 5. Update driver from Device Manager. This device, right-click on Bluetooth device and click Update. You can update drivers either automatically or manually. Step 6. Remove faulty Bluetooth device. You should replace your faulty Bluetooth device with proper working Bluetooth device. Now after following the steps, hopefully Bluetooth not connecting problem will be solved, inshallah. Please subscribe on Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.